How do you feel about waiting until you're married to have sex?
No. I'm sure people would want to wait, and if she wants to wait, I respect that, but we have to know that she's good in bed, because if she's not good in bed, no future there. Hold up.
What do you think about waiting until you're married before having sex?
I'll try it.
That not gonna work.
Not gonna work.
No. You have to taste it before. It's supposed to be good.
No problem. Well, I'm a part of the Christian faith, so it's a Christian faith.
I understand that that's very controversial, but coming from a religious background, I'll just go with the
Well, I'm sure people would want to wait, and if she wants to wait, I respect that, but we have to know that she's good in bed, because if she's not good in bed, no future there.
Yeah. Oh, so you'd prefer her experience than inexperience? Like,
I would say. I personally, I want a virgin.
Then how you gonna want her to be that? And
no,
then,
like with me and her, like before we're married, that she can do some stuff. We can.
or you want to be the one to teach her? So you want to make her experience. That's why you wouldn't wait. Okay.
I have a query. So what happens if you guys live for like how much years? I know they get married and obviously she wants to wait, but then she's bad. You would divorce her.
Him with a teacher.
But you just said we're gonna have a problem when there's no future.
No, suppose she's not good. Suppose she can't be taught.
So you want to test her out before? You want to test her out?
Take a car for a test drive before you buy it. Not calling any girls' cars now. I didn't say that.
No, I'm out for that. Respect. I'm out for that. What? Yes. Jamaica is what? Jamaica is what? What do you mean line me? It's not a valid. That is a valid. If we're most Catholics, like, move on.
I believe that is the right thing to do based on Christian principles that I've learned from when I was a child. So, I agree with it. No.
No? So if you were with a girl and she's nice, she can cook, she can clean, and you love her, you wouldn't wait?
Yeah, but then imagine I marry her and we're supposed to have sex and then it's just like not what I expected at all.
Not what you expected, so she does ruin your expectations of her in bed.
Yeah, that is possible.
It is. So if that were the case, you'd have left her?
Divorce her?
No, I would have to work like that.
You would have to work it out, you'd have to teach her.
Yeah, I would have to teach her or something, but, you know?
So you'd have prefer your girl experience?
Why would you take a bag and do nothing there?
No, you don't buy pussy in bag.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
No for you. So what if your girl experience and she go in at the bedroom and she more experienced than you?
That wouldn't be a problem to me. If she has a problem there, we're going to fix that too. But